Assalamualaikum. My name is Ashikin binti GHAZALI. My metric number is 2019231132. Now I'm going to present about Paramount Corporation Berhad. So my presentation outline for today is introduction, moving average, RSI, MACD, and stochastic, and lastly conclusion. Okay, so Paramount Corporation Berhad is a Malaysian investment company that is listed on the main board of Bursa Malaysia Securities Berhad. It also specializes in residential and commercial property development and investing. In addition to offering private educational services, the company also provides building and engineering contract services. Paramount is backed by a strong team, sound principle, and good corporate governance. Okay, to achieve its objective of changing life and enriching communities for a better world. Its mission is to improve people's life and communities in order to make the world a better place. Their aim, on the other hand, is to provide exceptional products and services that benefit society while also influencing future generations of leaders and thinkers. They also care about their employees' safety and well-being, and they believe in empowering them and allowing them to reach their full potential. Then, they expand their enterprises in order to provide sustainable and responsible shareholders' returns while also guaranteeing that the environment is protected. Okay, a moving average is a popular stock indicator in technical analysis. The goal is calculating a stock's moving average is to smooth out price data over a given period of time by calculating a constantly updated average price. In this figure, it shows the moving average from 2018 to January 2020 of Paramount Corporation Berhad. Inside this period, there is one buy and one sell signal. It is a trading indication or signal when two moving average cross over each other. When the short-term moving average cross over the long-term moving average, a buy signal is generated. When the long-term moving average cross over the short-term moving average, a sell signal is generated. The buy signal was generated in September 2018. According to the chart, while the sell signal was generated in September 2019. However, the difference between crossover and price is large, implying that profit is lower than expected. Okay, next, RSI. The Relative Strength Index is a technical indicator measure that looks at the magnitude of recent price fluctuations to verify if a stock or other asset is overbought or oversold. The Relative Strength Index is a technical analysis indicator that looks at the magnitude of recent price fluctuations to determine whether a stock or other assets is overbought or oversold. The chart conveys the buy and sell signals for Paramount Corporation Berhad using the RSI from 2018 to January 2020. As we know, a low relative strength index level of 30 generates buy signal, whereas a high relative strength index level of 70 generates sell signal. According to the chart, sell signals were generated twice in 2018, 4 times in 2019, and once in January 2020 because the stock is overbought. Buy signals, on the other hand, were generated in December 2018 and August of the following year, when the stock was oversold and the price and RSI crossed above the line of 30. The MACD, or Moving Average Convergence Divergence, is a technical indicator that analyzes the connection between exponential moving average, or as known as EMA, a MACD line, which is a blue line, and a signal line, which is red, and a histogram, which is the green one, are displayed on the MACD. indicating the difference between the MACD line and the signal lines. The chart depicts that the moving average convergent divergence or MACD for Paramount Corporation's Berhad, where the chart contains numerous sell signal and only one buy signal. Since the MACD crossed below the signal line and the histogram turns down to 0 in March 2018, September 2018, July 2019, and at the end of January 2020, sell signal have been generated. In contrast, a buy signal was generated only once during this period, at the end of August 2019. This is due to the MACD passing under the MACD histogram signal line. The stochastic oscillator is a momentum oscillator with a frequency limitation. The stochastic indicator is used to show where the close is in relation to the high or low range over a specified number of periods, identifying overbought and oversold levels, finding divergence, and identifying bull and bear setups or signals are all common use for the stochastic oscillator. So we can see in the chart several buy and sell signal generated by the stochastic indicator from 2018 to January 2020. One of the sell signals can be seen in January 2020 when the K% range of the stochastic scale rises to more than 80, indicating an overbought situation that may contribute to a stock sell-off. On the other hand, because the stock is oversold, one of the buy signals can be seen in June 2018. When the K% line on the stochastic indicator falls below 20, a buy signal is generated. So, in conclusion, there is no technical indicator. None of them provides 100% reliable signals all the time. Smartest trader always sees that warning signs are misleading from their selected indicators. Technical analysis, excellently accomplished, can certainly enhance investors' profit. Nonetheless, more time and energy are required to learn about how best to cope with it if the economy changes against traders, than simply to fantasize how they are investing their millions. Traders frequently use various technical indicators for securities analysis. The traders must select the best indicator and familiarize themselves with how they cooperate with numerous different options. Thank you, that's all from me.